In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit campaign Mailchimp. Whether you're cleaning up copy, refreshing an image, or fine-tuning details before a send, the path to making changes is quick and straightforward. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and look to the left side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives. Click on Campaigns. This is the central place where all of your email campaigns live, organized so you can quickly find what you've already built. On the Campaigns page, you'll see a list of your created campaigns. Each item typically shows helpful details like the campaign name, its type, and its current status, such as draft, scheduled, or sent. These details make it easier to confirm you're opening the right item before you start making changes. If you work with a team, the names and statuses also help everyone stay aligned on which version is being adjusted. Take a moment to locate the exact campaign you want to update. It can help to glance at the status or the last edited information so you don't accidentally open the wrong one, especially if you have several similar versions. Clear naming conventions, like including a date or purpose in the title, can save time here and reduce confusion during busy periods. When you found the campaign you want, look for the Edit button on that campaign's row. Click the Edit button. Mailchimp will open the campaign editor, placing you directly inside the content and settings for that specific campaign. From here, you're in the right place to review the text, imagery, and configuration details, and ensure everything reflects your current goals and brand voice. If you're handling a campaign that's scheduled, be aware that changes at this stage may influence timing or content at send. It's a good practice to check the status label at the top of the editor so you always know where things stand. If the edit option isn't available, it can be due to user permissions or because the campaign has already been sent. In that case, simply note that you may need the appropriate access or a new version to continue. And that's all there is to it. Click Campaigns on the left, review the list of your created campaigns, then click the Edit button on the one you want to update. With those simple steps, you're exactly where you need to be to refine your message and keep your communications accurate, timely, and on brand.